An outburst is a large but irregular release of energy over time from a close binary cataclysmic variable system. Let's take a look at an artist's sketch of a cataclysmic variable system, which we'll label as CV in the corner. There are three objects in the CV. The first object is the secondary star, which could be a normal main sequence star, or it could be a giant or a subgiant, and an evolved star. The second ingredient is an accretion disk. And the third ingredient is the star located at the center of the accretion disk, which is a white dwarf, and we'll call that object number 3. Now, because the objects are so close together, and because the secondary and primary are in orbital motion around our common center of mass, the gaseous material coming from the secondary star doesn't land directly on the white dwarf. Instead, it travels around the accretion disk, slowly spiraling its way in until it finally lands on the white dwarf. Now, over time, we generate this light curve. Time is on the horizontal axis, and luminosity from the system is on the vertical axis. Over time, we see this sudden release of energy, and the release of energy is irregular, both in the amount that's being released and in the duration intervals between the outbursts. Each one of these is called an outburst. It is a large but irregular in time and irregular in luminosity release of energy over time from a close binary cataclysmic variable system.